Good job, Adrian. Adrian, go around left. You can, honey. You gotta go around the little baby. Come on. I'll give you a boost. Come on. Go back to the wall. You got it? All right, come on. Do your stuff. There you go, girl. Go, girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You're doing good, honey. Go on. You're doing good, Adrian. Just go. You don't have to stop. Go on. Baby steps. There you go. Use your feet. Use your feet. Wait, keep on going. Go on. There you go. There you go, girl. This is the wall with no handles on this side. Just keep it going. Come on. We're so proud of you. Good job. There you go. Straighten yourself up. There you go. You made it to the wall. Woo! You're almost there to the water break. You deserve it. Oh, she's dancing now. I saw a little shoulder act. Come on, let me see the shoulders go. Come on. Do one for mommy. Come on, give me a little dance. You little dancer. All right, now we're going to have Jess go around. They want to show everyone their stuff, how far they come along today.